Hey everyone, welcome back to another session from the Mr. English Learning Center. I'm Jessica, and today we're talking about something every learner wants: how to train your brain to think and speak in English naturally.
And I'm Mike. If you've ever wished English would just come out without translating, this episode is going to be a game changer for you. We'll show you exactly how to train your brain step by step.
Let's start with something simple. Mike, why do learners struggle so much with thinking in English?
Because they're stuck in translation mode. Their brain hears something, translates it, forms an answer in their native language, translates that, and then speaks. That's too many steps.
Exactly. And that slows down confidence, causes hesitation, and creates pressure. But here's the big truth. You don't need advanced grammar to think in English. You just need the habit.
Right, and building that habit is much easier than people think. Small moments throughout the day can create huge changes.
Speaking of small moments, let's start with my favorite, mini narration. Mike, let's show them how simple it is.
Sure. Imagine I'm making tea. In my mind, I say, I'm boiling water, I'm opening the tea bag, I'm waiting for the water to heat. That's it. Very simple.
And listeners, you can narrate anything: walking, cooking, driving, getting ready for work. The sentences don't need to be perfect. They just need to exist in English inside your mind.
Exactly. You're training your brain to use English for simple thoughts. And once your brain gets used to it, English becomes easier.
Here's another technique: visual thinking. You hear a word like cup, and instead of translating it, you picture a cup. No need of language, just picture and English.
This works because your brain learns faster with images. And when English words connect directly to pictures, you stop depending on translation.
Mike, give them a quick example with random objects.
Sure. Phone, picture a phone. Window, picture window. Bag, picture a bag. That's all. Fast, simple, effective.
Another thing learners can do is short reaction practice. Let's give them a demo. Mike, say something every day.
Today is going to be a long day.
My brain reacts, really, or same here, or I hope not. Very short replies.
When you respond quickly, you teach your brain to activate English without waiting.
Now let's talk about category thinking. Choose a topic in your mind. For example, travel. Now think of all the English words you know from that topic: passport, plane, ticket, hotel, luggage.
It's like waking up the vocabulary that's sleeping in your mind. Once you activate words, they come out faster during real conversations.
Another great habit is question-answer drills. You ask yourself a simple question and answer in English.
Let's do a quick example. Question, what am I doing tomorrow? Answer, I'm visiting my cousin. See? Easy.
Or another, what do I want to eat? I want chicken today.
These tiny conversations with yourself prepare your brain for real life speaking.
And you don't need perfect grammar. You need practice, not perfection.
I want to mention something important. Gradually increasing English thinking time. Start with 1 minute per hour, then 2, then 5.
Yes, listeners, don't try to think in English all day. That will overwhelm your brain. Start small, grow slowly.
Exactly. Fluency is built through gentle repetition, not pressure.
Now, I want to talk about micro words. These are tiny words you use many times a day. Yes, no, okay, wait, sorry, thanks.
Start using them in English even when you're speaking your native language. It rewires your brain very quickly.
Let's show them how it looks blended into everyday language.
Like when someone calls you, you say wait instead of saying it in your language. Or when someone gives you something, say thanks.
Yes, these small switches actually create big brain changes over time.
Now let's address something honest, mental blocks. Many learners freeze because they want to think perfect English inside their mind.
And that's completely unnecessary. Mistakes inside your brain are normal. They're part of the learning process.
When you remove pressure, your brain becomes more open and flexible.
Start with simple thoughts. I'm tired, this is nice, I like this idea. Don't try to express complicated emotions or philosophies at first. Your brain will naturally move to deeper thoughts once the habit grows.
Let's talk about imaginary conversations. Everyone does this silently, in the shower, on the bus, before sleeping.
Use those moments in English. Imagine telling your friend a story. Imagine ordering food. Imagine explaining your day at work.
It's not weird, it's actually brain training.
And this technique helps you prepare your sentences before using them in real life.
Let's do a quick demo. Mike, imagine you're ordering food. I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. It comes with fries? Okay, that's fine. See, just simple, natural sentences.
Exactly. And as you practice these fictional conversations, English starts feeling more familiar.
Another incredibly effective technique is building simple stories in your mind. Short, easy, like mini scenes.
Let me give them one. A boy is walking home. He sees his friend. They talk for a minute, then they take the bus together. Very simple, but it activates vocabulary, grammar, and imagination at the same time.
And when these three come together, fluency grows quickly.
Mike, I want to talk about something listeners should avoid: expecting overnight results.
Yes, thinking in English is a slow transformation. Not months and months slow, but also not one day. It's steady progress.
If you practice even 5 minutes a day, you'll feel the difference in a few weeks.
Absolutely. Consistency beats intensity.
Let's give listeners a quick recap in dialogue form. Mike, tell me the first habit.
Mini narration. Narrate your day.
Second?
Visual thinking. Connect words to images.
Third?
Short reactions. Respond fast to any English you hear.
Fourth?
Category thinking. Activate vocabulary.
Fifth?
Question-answer drills. Talk to yourself.
Sixth?
Use micro words in English.
Seventh?
Imaginary conversations.
Eighth?
Simple story building.
Perfect. That's your complete brain training toolkit.
If you follow even 3 of these daily, your English thinking ability will grow fast.
Remember, everyone listening, your brain can learn English at any age. It just needs consistent signals.
And those signals come from small daily habits.
Thank you for joining us today. I hope this conversation inspires you to start thinking in English from this very moment.
We're proud of you and we're excited to see how much you'll grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Take care and keep practicing.